This video series is all about getting started as a YouTube gamer. I'm going to show you the gear and the software that I use to record, edit, and optimize all of my videos. And in this video we're going to talk about my computer. To record and edit my videos, I use a CyberPower Gamer Xtreme VR. I've had it for about a year and a half now and I absolutely love it. It's a mid-tier gaming PC, so I can play most games on ultra settings, other ones on high, without having to spend thousands of dollars on a computer. And you can get it on Amazon, so you can get free 2-day shipping on it. And the other cool thing about this is since video games and video editing software both need the same kind of hardware, I can actually edit videos on this thing really effectively. So to record, I use either Xsplit or the built-in GeForce Experience, and I edit using Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects. And since I even have a couple of monitors on this thing, I can actually run both Premiere and After Effects at the same time, and sometimes I even sneak in a little bit of Photoshop, and it really makes everything a lot faster because I'm able to run both programs simultaneously, and the computer is more than capable of dealing with that kind of a load, and it's just great. It made my life a whole lot easier. Now, the one complaint that I do have about this computer is that since it can record in higher resolutions, the hard drive tends to fill up kind of fast. Now, you can fix that by either getting another hard drive or by being better than me at deleting footage that you don't need anymore. For the specs, I'm just going to send you to the official page. I'm not exactly an expert when it comes to PC hardware, so my opinions on video cards and different kinds of RAM and all that stuff, it's not really something you want to base your purchase on. All I know is that this computer does everything that I need it to do, and it works right out of the box. On Amazon, this computer costs about $1,200, and again, I absolutely love it. In fact, I'm looking at getting another one for my wife. So if you need a good gaming and video editing PC without breaking the bank, this is the one that I use, and it's what I recommend. Now, in the next video, I'm going to talk about video editing software, including a free program that's really good, so make sure to check that out, and you can find that on screen. My name's Tristan from Underdogs Factory, trying to help you turn your passion for gaming into a career, and I will see you in the next video.